everybody. I just got my Taekwondo gear yesterday and I have a full 8 items, and today I'll be unboxing them and I'll be sharing them with you guys. First, we've got our helmet that comes in this lovely bag, which I'm probably going to keep. And then we have our groin guard, so this is for your groin. And then we have our helmet. It's very smooth.
Oh, super cool.
And it fits really nicely. I think it's better than the one I used to use because now I have my own, and I used to use the one at my Taekwondo club. This is the groin guard. It looks like a bicycle seat, kind of. And then we have a back to basically strap it on. Just we have glove, I think. Next up we have the Taekwondo glove. Let's take it out somehow. It comes in this bag. And then another bag. Bags. It's very lovely and soft. It has a nice thumb pad around it, which I like. There's a little pad, and then so we have the gloves and then this annoying tag. It's quite smooth. I like the material, and it says World Taekwondo on it in the back. It's rather... So I put the glove on, and then so basically there's a strap for your wrist, so for like extra security, and then another one that goes here, so it feels really tight. It's really secure.
Yeah. Perfect.
Next we have the foot protection. So it's basically a sock, but we have basically a sock that you put on your foot, but it protects your foot when you like kick. So in Taekwondo, when you spar, it's very common to clash your foot or your leg. So this will protect your foot if you accidentally kick something hard, or if it hurts when you kick on the body armor, then it will prevent it from hurting. And it's very flexible, as you can see. Not sure what this is for. I think it's just for movement. This is the same as the glove, but it has, I think, one strap, and then basically the same material. And the back, there's some holes so that your foot can breathe. Excuse me. Now we're getting onto the more essential and kind of harder equipment. Very smooth when you put it on your arm. The arm guard, so this one's supposed to protect your arm. Put it, I think, out here, so if you block, it won't hurt if anyone kicks, but it might hurt them. So it's just in case your arm gets kicked, because, well, it's very common when you're sparring. Where's the other one? It's very annoying to put it on by yourself. I have to do this because it like goes round. Now when you block, it'll be safer and it won't hurt. If I put both on. Now we have the leg guard. Now we have the leg guard or shin pad, but it's not really just for your shin. So it's practically the same as the arm guard, but longer, and well, it's for your leg.
你不要弄歪了。
now I put the leg guard on. It's very hard and I feel way less because it reacts. Doesn't really, because it's very tight. It has 3 straps that are very secure. It's a very simple design, although I think I put it on the wrong way. And then we have the other one, which I'm not going to put on because it took me like 2 minutes to put on. Because of this thing, which I'm going to undo later. And just take it off like that. And, well, second last, I have to reach down very far, is the mouth guard. It is a junior mouth guard. It comes in a very lovely case. It's a clear one. So with this, I have actually no idea what you do with it, but it's very flexible. And you put it in your teeth, but you have to like put hot water in it. The instructions are in here, but I'm not going to use this. Although it is quite essential to some people, it can also affect health sometimes, but not all the time. This goes over here, and lastly, we have the most important bit, the body armor. So, like always, you have the blue side, you get the red side. It's very soft on the outside, but in the inside, it's like bone, like us. We're soft on the outside, hard on the inside. Well, our bones are. Once this thing gets used to damage, it will get a lot harder, and then it gets softer again. So it's wrapped. The strings are wrapped very nicely. And then it is very hard to get to do that because it's what you need to do. Okay, no, it's too hard. You have to get it to use like that, and then now you can do your string thing, whatever. This one only has 2, so it saves time, but also the more you get, the better. For those of you who don't know how to do it, how to put it on, so this is already crisscrossed for me, which is good because I couldn't be bothered to do the crisscross myself. So whichever side you want, if you want the blue side, which is easier, you put the collar on the right side, flip it over so the blue's down, make sure the strings are not in your way. So, and then you have to try get these to get up. It's really, the older your body armor is, the easier. And you want the collar to be right there. And you reach for the strings, which I probably shouldn't have put this so far. And then since this one's going, so right goes right. Go inside. Go inside. Okay. And then left goes left because it's left. And then since you already have the left, I prefer just go to the other one on the right at the bottom, and you take this string. You can do under or over, but over would be better. Like that, and then you pull it so it's like a box, and then you do something.
Put it down.
No, because then look what will happen. So you pull it. Thank you for watching, everyone. Thank you for watching, everyone. Bye.
Decisions as I go to anywhere I flow. Sometimes I believe the time fly high, I can go low. Decisions as I go to anywhere I flow. Sometimes I believe, at times I should know. I can fly high, I can go low. Decisions as